What happens when a mischievous mouse starts acting up? Even a daydreaming cat gets confused. Somehow, the little troublemaker dares to challenge the cat like this.
Are you ready?
The cat's patience starts to wear thin. Feeling provoked, the cat finally strikes back. But just when it gets into the fight. Surprise! The mouse wasn't alone. It brought reinforcements.